In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on Display section over here. Now, scroll again, this time to click on Easy Mode. And when you're ready, use this switcher next to Easy Mode to switch it on or turn it off. If you decided you do want to enable it, you can also adjust those two options. First, touch and hold delay. Pick one of those and then try it out by following all of the instructions from your screen. Touch and hold one of these circles to see how your touch and hold time works. Then select Done or Back. You can also click on this section here, called High Contrast Keyboard, pick one of those, or disable it by tapping on this switcher to switch back to the standard one. When you finished, just go back to check out your new layout. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!